Good day, beautiful people. I just wanted to briefly address something. I just got a check, not a state check, but a federal check, and it's a tax refund. But I wasn't expecting this tax refund. Now, let it be known, I did an amendment on one of my tax returns over 2 years ago. 2 years ago. So, when I got the check, I wasn't expecting it because my state return isn't that amount this year. And of course, my federal return is not that amount this year. So I'm like, well, did she make a mistake on the amount of the state return I'm supposed to get back? And I emailed her just to confirm my state return amount. And she was like, yeah, this is the amount you're supposed to get back this year. But the check was a little bit more than that. So to confirm that the check was legit, because in my state, there has been a lot of fraudulent federal tax return checks sent out. So before I deposited that check into my account, I wanted to confirm that it was legit and get it verified. So this morning, I took the check to my bank and I asked her to verify the check because I was not expecting that amount. And the check came back verified. So the only other logical answer is that this is a check from a tax amendment that I did a very, very long time ago, and I was not expecting it. So if you get a check that you're not expecting, make sure you go to your bank. Make sure you get it verified before you deposit it into your account to avoid any fraudulent or, scamish activities. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it. I'm happy. It was a blessing out of nowhere. Because we do have a lot going on with renovations and whatnot with the investment properties and just taking care of family and our personal needs and things like that. So I was extremely excited to get the check, but it was unexpected. But yeah, if you get one, make sure you check it out and be happy that you got it. But yeah, unfortunately, it has taken them this long to do it, and to send checks out. So a little side note is on the bottom left hand side of this check, there was INT, which stood for interest. So that further let me know that this was a payment or an old payment that they obviously paid me interest on because the payment was so late. And upon reading about late tax return refunds, I saw that after 45 days that they do pay you interest on the money that they owe you. So I don't really know how to calculate this because from what I read versus how much I got, it was a little off. However, I did receive interest on this money. Now, there's also a note down there that you will be taxed on this money, on the interest payment that you were paid. So just a little side note about that. So I pray you all are blessed and I love you all. If no one else does, the Most High does as well, and be blessed.